Starting the session now. I welcome you all to a session on building an innovation product fit for market. The session is organized under Institute's Innovation Council, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Nagpur. This is part of a series of sessions that will be organized in future and will help the brand IIITN and industry and our students to know the intricacies of market and how to be a good entrepreneur and start their career in a productive way, especially in their core sector. Indian Institute of Information Technology is one of the 20 IIITs established under the Public-Private Partnership Scheme by the Ministry of Education. IIIT Nagpur has been declared as an institute of national importance under the provisions of the Indian Institute of Information Technology Act 2017. The institute started functioning during the year 2016-17 under the Department of Higher Education and is supported by the Department of Higher Education, Government of Maharashtra and Tata Consultancy Services, Mumbai as industry partner. We welcome our speaker today, Mr. Akash Ambulkar, who is also one of my very close friends since childhood. Currently, he is working as a hardware technical lead at Cummins company in Pune. He did his BTech from College of Engineering, Pune, and soon after he joined Autocop India Private Limited, where he worked for 8 years in the field of core electronic product development. He was also part of the team which launched the Swayam nano satellites, which was a project undertaken by him during his BTech days at College of Engineering, Pune. And currently he is working at Cummins, which is a global power leader in electronic technical design. I welcome Mr. Akash Ambulkar for the session. Sir, you can please start.
Good morning, all. Thank you for the quick introduction, Vipin. And again, thanks for giving me this opportunity to be valuable to this young crowd who is there in front of us. So let's start the session. Let us try to be more interactive. Try to have your queries posted on the chat so that when we read the Q&A, we'll try to address all the sessions. uh, One by one those questions will be addressed, and I'll try to ensure that all those queries are addressed and it is helpful for your future. So today we'll be speaking on building an innovation or a product fit for the market. So a lot of people see different movies, hear from different colleagues, or we listen to different news about the emerging technologies and other stuff, where people try to create and become okay. I'll do something like this, I'll do something like that, and I'll be done for it. I'll not be working anywhere, or I'll be a self owner or something like that. So there are multiple aspirations, multiple thoughts which are coming to this millennials, what we call it as, who are booming up to this emerging technologies, and especially in the field of electronics. So we'll be touching base on most of those parts. And how do you ensure, like, what do you mean a product which is fit for a market? What do you mean, like, a product, actually a product? What do you mean by that? And how do you take your ideas or your innovation to that stages? We have an example. We will try to be more interactive on that. We'll spend some time on it. So let us go to it. We will start with a quick brief of myself.